Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you know muslin cotton, also nicknamed woven air, is believed to have originated in the Bengal region of India during the 14th century? It is a cotton fabric that has been produced in India for centuries. In this video, we will explore muslin cotton in India, as well as its production process and uses. Muslin cotton is a lightweight and breathable fabric that is made from the fibers of the cotton plant. Initially, it was woven by skilled weavers known as mulberry men. The fabric was highly valued and was often used to make clothing for the elite and royalty. During the Mughal Empire, muslin cotton became even more popular and was used to make clothing for the emperor and his court. The fabric was so fine that it was said to be able to pass through a ring, hence its nickname, woven air. Muslin cotton also played a significant role in India's trade with Europe and the Middle East, where it was highly sought after for its quality and beauty. Today, muslin cotton is still produced in India, primarily in the states of West Bengal and Bihar. The production process is highly labor-intensive and involves several steps. First, the cotton fibers are hand-spun into thread, which is then woven into cloth on a hand loom. The weavers use a traditional technique called jamdani, which involves weaving intricate patterns into the fabric by hand. Muslin cotton is used for a variety of purposes in India, from clothing to home textiles. It is often used to make sarees, which are traditional Indian garments worn by women. Muslin cotton sarees are known for their softness, lightness, and beautiful drape. The fabric is also used to make bed sheets, curtains, and other home textiles. In recent years, muslin cotton has gained popularity around the world for its sustainability and versatility. The fabric is biodegradable and has a low environmental impact, making it a popular choice for eco-conscious consumers. Muslin cotton is also a favorite among parents for its use in baby blankets and swaddles, as it is soft and gentle on a baby's delicate skin. To conclude, we can say muslin cotton is a fabric that has played an important role in India's history and continues to be produced and used today. Its beauty, quality, and sustainability have made it a favorite among consumers around the world. I hope this video gave you some information about fashion in India. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more fashion content. Thanks for watching.